Welcome to a new video. So here we will learn how to create any default issue type. So what do you know default issue type? It means like I want to create any issue type of, suppose here when I do create, I can see task, story, bug, epic. But what if I get a new design issue, or I need something to assign to design team? It is neither a bug, it is neither a story, it is neither a task, it is neither an epic. So what I want to do, I want to make a new field called design here. So how will I do it? I will just go to project settings, issue types, here action, edit issue types, and I will click on add issue type, and it will be design task, and standard issue type, subtask issue type. Subtask will be like design and design subtask. So I'll do a standard issue type. Standard issue type, add. So here comes the design task. I'll click on save. Now it is saved, design task. So I can put description also, I have not put description. Now I want to change this avatar also as well, image as well of this. This is not looking good. I'll again go to types, I will go to actions, edit issue type, issue types, here design. Now I have put design task, edit, design task, there I have not put description, here I have just put description. So to assign that avatar, select image. So there are by default many new avatars available, and you can create a new avatar as well as per your choice. So just for design, I will just choose from here. Say suppose it can be this update. Yeah, now it's done. Now what I will do is I will again come to main board of Jira. I will go to my project, e-command dot, I will just do create. Yes, now I got a new issue type as design task. So you can create any kind of issue type which you want. You can just create there and then change the avatar, and you can see here while creating a issue or issue type, you can select that issue type and you can raise anything. So this is a simple way of creating any issue type and changing the avatar of that issue type. Thank you guys. Please support me and my channel. Bye bye.